Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be making some keto brownies using the Simple Mills brownie mix, and I'm going to be adding in a couple of my own toppings as well. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. It's kind of a crazy time right now, which is why you might see me doing a bunch of extra things. But yeah, baking is a great way to pass the time away, and I want to do it while still being healthy. So here we go, and let's try this out. So first, I preheated the oven, and it's over there, and you preheat it to 400 if you have like a light pan that you're doing it in. And I greased the pan already. There's the oven done preheating. I greased the pan already, so it's ready to go whenever I am. So I'm going to mix the water, and I'm also using organic coconut oil, so I'm going to mix those in my mixing bowl. So it calls for a half a cup of oil,
why so serious?
Okay, so I've got my oil. I'm putting that in my bowl. And then I need 3 tablespoons of water. So I will go grab that now. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that up a little bit. And the recipe calls for 2 eggs, but I am vegan, so I made some chia eggs ahead of time to substitute. So I'm just mixing the oil and water together first. And then I have my chia eggs. And as you can see, they're quite gelled up at this point. So I'm just going to pour that into the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to whisk these in until it's well combined. Have you guys tried out that dalgona coffee recipe? That's something I saw on YouTube actually, but apparently it's a big TikTok thing, and I'm thinking of trying that out soon. So maybe that'll be a next little video, maybe on Instagram, because I don't think it takes long enough to make a whole video, but we'll see. Let me know down below if you've tried it. Okay, so next we add in the baking mix. So I'm just going to take it out, grab my kitchen scissors, and I'm just gonna pour that in. Okay, so, and I'm just gonna mix in the brownie mix to the wet ingredients. It looks good already. I love this brand, Simple Mills. I found it recently at my local grocery store, and they have so many things that fit into a keto diet, like crackers and bread mixes. They have cookies. I haven't tried that, but I'm excited to try this. I've been trying to learn a lot more about cooking since I've been in isolation, So hopefully I'm getting better at it. A family friend of mine gave me the, oh my goodness, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat book, and that's been really helpful. So, yeah. I love how the illustrations are in there because nothing's gonna look the same when everyone makes it. So I like that it's illustrations rather than photographs. I think that that was a really cool, unique thing that they did in there. Okay, so as you can see, the brownie mix is fully combined. It's smelling delicious. So I am going to transfer this into my pan and then we'll go from there. Okay, I've got my pan. And just transferring it to the pan now. The nice thing about it being vegan is you can taste the raw brownie batter and it's not gonna give you salmonella. Okay, so I can set the bowl aside. And I'm just gonna smooth this all in here. Okay, now that it's evenly spread out, I'm going to go microwave my measured out peanut butter just to get it a little bit melted, and then I'm gonna drizzle that on top. Okay, so as you can see, it's a lot softer now. It is like fresh, organic peanut butter, just made with the peanuts, and that's the only ingredient, so I'm not sure how melted it could get. So I'm just gonna kind of like spoon and swirl it in. We'll see. And then I'm gonna grab a knife and mix it all in. Kind of swirl it through. Looks delicious. So, now that that's all mixed in, it says to bake for 25 minutes or 20 minutes for a 9x9 pan. I'm not exactly sure what size my pan is, so I'm going to put a timer on for like 18 minutes and check it, and then just keep checking it as we go. I'm gonna put it on the middle rack. And I will see you in a few minutes. Okay, so they've cooled down completely, and it seems still like a little bit soft, but I checked with a resident baker of mine, and they say that it still should be fine. So I'm just gonna take a corner piece. And I'm gonna grab a little plate to put it on. I will carefully lift it out, but you know how the corner pieces of things don't always turn out the best, so.
Yeah.
This is amazing. I would definitely recommend Simple Mills brownie mix with added peanut butter. And make it vegan, and then it's perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you're doing during self-isolation, what your creativities are, and also comment anything you'd like to see next, any like fun video ideas, because I'm just at home. I got time, I can make content for you. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.